What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got snow. As you can see, it is looking awesome outside. I do love the snow. We're going into this local diner here. They have excellent breakfast, and they serve it all day, and it's lunchtime, and we're eating breakfast. Let's go. Wow, this is a nice car. Baby has to make a quick call. Call her baby friends. Oh. Good old 10-4 JB beat me to the garage. Let's go see what the heck he's doing in here. I gotta get my modern diesel hat. You got the heater on. Woo, buddy. What are you watching? Wow, look at this setup here, huh?
You watch this?
What are you watching?
Blindfolded racing.
Blindfolded racing?
Yeah.
Like people are blindfolded and they run?
They run. Across the wall.
Oh!
Watch them starts.
Oh my god, they're full sprint. Oh! Could you imagine just being blindfolded and just full sprint?
I don't think I can full sprint blindfolded.
Okay, so Chevy's out, Ford's in.
We just leave that like that. We just gotta chalk it.
That's mega sketchy.
Yeah, it's hitting every fucking thing too before it even hits the...
So, dilemma number one is that this car is too low to get the ramps under to change the oil.
Nice and easy. Come on. I can fit under there now.
That was pro. Oil change 101, back in action. Okay, oh jeez. Forgot I was wearing my oil change hat still. And I got my glasses on. But what the heck is up, guys? We are in the garage once again. Today we're doing another oil change. It seems like this is becoming a regular thing. Oil change 101, just to wing it. But real quick before we get started, our hats, our modern diesel hats, these hats right here, are selling super fast. So if you guys were contemplating on getting one, make sure you get one right now. First link in the description. Pick yourself up a hat. They are almost gone. Our first batch is going so good, and I just want to thank you guys again for the business. But recently, I just put my taillights on my truck. The whole beginning of that taillight video was a complete joke. I was using that spray tint stuff on my broken one just as a joke. But I did in fact put the good taillights on, and they are so sick. They're exactly what I was looking for. The first guy I ran into in public. Now this isn't you guys on YouTube, this isn't any of my family or friends. The first random person I came across in public said, "Hey, where can I get a set of those?" Do you think that's oil? That might be. I don't know what that is. I'd look in there. Maybe taste it.
If it doesn't feel like oil, it feels like oil, but
pop it open, see what we got. And the winner is
oil.
Oil. The car's low on coolant, and all of our coolant jugs laying around the garage are full of old oil. So So yes, the very first thing he said in public was, hey, where can I get me a set of those? So if you guys are interested in getting a set of these taillights, let me know. What?
It says add water. I don't know who knows if he added water.
We might have found some coolant, but it's a concentrate, so you got to do the 50-50 mix. We don't have any water. There's snow outside. You can go melt some snow down.
There's a frozen water bottle right here.
Wow. Okay, guys, this is a little testament on how cold it is in this garage. Water's frozen. It was just hanging out here. That's why I'm sitting by our fireplace. So, if you guys are interested in getting a set of these taillights, please post your comment below. I will figure something out for you guys. They make them for all kinds of vehicles. I will get into more details of that soon. But just let me know if you're interested in getting a set and we'll figure it out. How about that? What are you looking for now? Oh, what kind of oil are we using today? SuperTech high mileage 5W20, 75,000 miles or over. Oh, buddy. The good stuff. Dude. Looks like she's been rallying this sucker. She watching Ken Block videos?
Tries.
Holy smokes. This is fresh off of the Pennsylvania rally, folks, where it was a rough and brutal time. The car did make it through intact, just a little dirty. No, I'm kidding. But check this thing out, huh? Ford Fiesta. It's unbelievably small in this garage. Okay, we're used to having like trucks in here, right? So like, there's still a ton of room behind it, and look at all this room in the front. This is how much room we need to have after our trucks are in here. Well, my truck can't even fit, so I mean, meaning your truck. Long story short, we need a bigger shop. What are you looking for?
Oil filter.
Oh, the wrench. First drawer, hold on. So 1, 2, bam. All right, you ready? Scared? Me too. What'd you do?
What?
How's it going?
Great. Yep. As soon as you say something.
Send it. We out. Oh my god. Dude, okay guys, so this is literally what our day has come to. I don't know. It is what it is. Whatever. Say what you want. But that's about it for today, guys. If you are interested, hit that subscribe button. Join the Modern Diesel family. Thank you guys so much for buying our merch. It is the first link in the description. Stay tuned for more videos coming out this week. Remember, these hats are selling super fast, so don't miss out. But it's about dark outside, and we're kind of just hanging out. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!